So email templates, you can design and set up like any kind of email template that you want. And yes, you can use them into the automated workflows. You can adopt a sequence, you can trigger the emails on a specific condition. You can also integrate with third-party apps. You can use webhooks and and all that. And when you create a new template, it's going to ask you, okay, what kind of template do you need? Do you want an HTML editor, a simple basic email template, or a design editor is it's all graphical. It contains the header and footer, and you can add all the video and images and GIFs and all of that stuff. And it's
Mm-hmm.
pretty editable. Like you just need to learn how to use the editor, and it is really good. If you're using another platform and you want to trigger a workflow if something happened on that platform. So if they have an API key or a webhook, then we can initiate a workflow in Tekmatix based on an event that was happening in the other platform that you were using. It can be any platform. I'm just saying that in case you have any other CRM or any other platform that you're using. But it only depends if that has an API key. Otherwise, it will not. It's an option. There are some platforms that we can trigger workflows on a specific events as well, or we can fetch information as well. Okay, so there are two ways here that we can use to group out the contacts for sending them emails, right? So first thing is, let's say, for example, I have 53 contacts in this account. I want to segment the clients, right? And what I will do is I will apply a filter. Let's say I want to see the clients. I want to see the contacts that have this VIP tag added to them. And I will click on apply. And you can see that it will show me all the contacts that have the VIP tag. Currently, it's only one. And I can then save this as a smart list. When I save it as a smart list, it's going to show up like this. Like I have already saved one demo smart list. So I apply the filter. It should show me the contacts that have newsletter subscriber, and it's showing me the list. And now when I'm sending emails, whether I'm sending the emails through email campaigns, we have email campaigns over there, or whether I'm sending through the automated workflows, I have the option to choose the contacts in a specific, like this segmented list that I have created, or I can also choose the contacts based on specific tag, right? Now I created this list by adding a filter for the tag, right? But there is an option, like there are a lot of options. You can see that I can apply filters and create smart lists based on a lot of different options, anything that I need. So yeah, so you can use your tags to segment the list, or you can create smart lists based off different filters, whether that filter is using the tag or not.
Mm-hmm.
And you can segment that and you can add them to the workflow, or the workflow has different kind of triggers. Let's say, for example, if you want to send email to someone who is signing up on a specific form, like who's filling out a specific form on a funnel, you want them to get an email sequence, you can trigger that workflow based on that trigger that says form submitted. This is the
Mm-hmm.
name of the form. So you can start like that. Like it's really customizable. You can add more columns here. Like you can see that we have the columns option over
Okay.
here. And depending on what custom fields we have, these are some custom fields that we have added into the system. And there are some that are already by default they are added. Let's say, for
Mm-hmm.
example, business name is default, city is default. You can create as many custom fields as you like. To show the column over here, existing column, you simply click here and you can see that the additional emails shows up. But if you want to create a new one, you need to go to the settings and then you have this custom fields over here. You
Mm.
can organize these custom fields in folders. You can choose different types of field, like what kind of custom field do you want to make. Like for example, you select, it gives you the options and you can enter the options.